So, girl. Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back with a new video. This video is going to be a lot different from my other videos. So, I wanted to do something different as far as like tattoos. I've done piercing videos before. I've done piercing updates and things like that. But this video is directed a little bit towards people people who want tattoos but they don't want to go through the pain of getting them. You know what I'm saying? So I have one tattoo. I will show you that in a minute. We're gonna be getting there, but I have one tattoo, and of course with everything that's going on right now, we're quarantined and stuff like that, you can't go out and get a tattoo anyway. But I got a tattoo 7 maybe 8 years ago, and it's cute and all that, but the pain of getting it, for me, I wasn't feeling it. You know, like when you get a piercing, it's that pain, bam, it be sore for a couple days and then that's it. Like the tattoo, I mean, when I got my tattoo afterwards, it didn't give me no problems, but it's just the sitting there and just that constant, you know what I'm saying? So I got this. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the point. I found these on Amazon and I wanted to see how they would do. I've been seeing a lot of videos for this company. I forgot the name of it. Theirs are a little bit more pricier. So I got all of these for $12.99. So I got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 12 sheets for $12.99, and then I'm gonna show y'all, this is just what some of them look like. So I figured this would be good for people who want to get tattoos but they don't want to go through the pain. And I also have stretch marks like on the side, so I want to see if they gonna cover them up, girl, just to, you know. I'm gonna pick some of these. I'm gonna put one on my arm, I'm gonna put one on my leg, and then I'm gonna put one over here to cover up the stretch marks and see what it do. So I don't even know if I can show y'all. That's my tattoo right there, because I'm trying not to like show all my stuff. Over here I have stretch marks. Don't be looking at my back fat, but I have stretch marks. They lighten up. I've used like a cream to lighten them up because they were dark. It's like I had like big scars, but I have them over here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put it over here. All right, y'all, so the directions basically say I gotta apply it to some clean and dry skin. So I took a shower earlier and I did lotion up, so I'm gonna just take a cotton ball with some alcohol and then I'm gonna rub the lotion off that way. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I got the ones picked out that I wanted to do, so, and I'm gonna wait for that to dry. And then it says place the tattoo where you want it to be. And whoo, girl, I had on hella lotion. Let me get the other side then. That's done. So, and it says once you place it, take a damp towel and rub it on there. Okay, so I want it to be here, and then I'm gonna grab the towel. I feel like this needs to be damper, like dripping wet. Hold on, y'all, let me. Okay, so I just went on ahead and I just took the towel, wet it, and I just drenched it. I'm gonna try to hold it in place for, it said 10 to 20 seconds. Baby, I like it. Girl, I just did my leg, so I'm gonna let it sit there for a few. And I fan this one a little bit. I don't want y'all to see all of it, but that's that tattoo, the leg one. So thigh one. Okay, so with this one, is kind of looking a little bit ashy, I feel like. And as I'm moving and stuff, I can feel it. So I do work out 5 days a week, so I'm gonna see what it's looking like. So I'm about to do this one. This is that one. And where I did apply, I do have stretch marks here. I do not see them. Y'all see, like, what y'all think as far as how it looks? Like, to me, like, how it looks, I have a mirror right here. Well, y'all can see it. But how it looks, I feel like at certain angles, it doesn't look like it's a sticker. Like, it looks like I could have got this done. So what I did, when I wet this one, I just laid over like that. But baby, girl, I like it. And then the thigh one, that's what it looks like. This is gonna be an all-in-one video. I'm gonna do my first impressions, which you guys just saw, and then I'm gonna do my final thoughts in a few days. Like, I'm gonna shower, I'm not gonna lotion up. I do work out. Today is Wednesday, so I got 2 more workout days, so I'm gonna see how the sweat and everything handles with that, and then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna take notes, I'm gonna let you guys know. It does feel a little sticky on my arm area a little bit, like I know it's there. But yeah, so if y'all interested, just keep on watching the video and I'll be back with my final thoughts, girl. Hey y'all, it is day 6 and I'm back with my update. Okay, so you guys know, as the first day I did, when I applied the tattoo, I got out of the shower, then I applied it. So day 2, after I worked out, I got in the shower and the tattoo was still there. It did pretty good, and this one is doing the best out of all of the ones. The one on my leg, let me show you guys. I just got it on this like halter, so it's easier for you guys to see. But the one on my leg started fading up here a little bit, and then the third one that I applied, well, I actually have 4. So this third one right here, this one faded the most because, you know, my shirt is constantly rubbing up against it and stuff like that. And also I wear this ab thing when I work out and I sweat a lot, so that contributed to it as well. But this is day 6. This one on my arm is doing the best. That is the close-up of it. It is doing the best. I still have not applied any lotion to it or anything like that. And then that's that one. I did apply one like down here. I cannot show you guys that. This one went away the quickest. I put this on after I did the video. It went away the quickest because my underwear are constantly rubbing up against it and stuff like that. So keep in mind, if you do choose to put one right there, you're gonna either have to go commando or wear it for one day. I'm also going to take it off, but I did want to come back on here and give my final thoughts on this. These tattoos I really like. I do want to try to wear them again when I go on vacation, but I do want to say, like, they were really good, like, for on your arms. But if you want to just wear it one day, for sure you'll get your wear out of it. For one night, you want to go out with your friends or something like that, when we can go back outside again. So it'll be ideal for that. I am anxious to wear this when I go on vacation. I wanted to do 6 days because usually when I go on vacation I do anywhere between 4 to 7 days. So that's why I wanted to wear this for this long. So it says you can use it, you can apply oil or alcohol to remove it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the one on my thigh for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna let you know if it's gonna come off or not. So let's go back in. I'm about to see this. I really like this one though, but you can also wear these if you want to like get a feel for, if you want to get a feel for where you want your tattoos at. It's just, it doesn't matter. And like, it's coming off, y'all can see, and I'll just zoom in the camera, but yeah, it's coming off. You got to put some work into it though. So it's coming off, and then I'm gonna try some oil on it. So max I would say is 7 days. Day 3 after I got out the shower, it was peeling, like the leaf right there, it fell off. But this one is the best one. That's my favorite one. Like, it was looking good. But I'm gonna put some oil on it, a couple drops, and then I'm gonna see. So the oil makes it come off a lot faster. Yeah, can y'all see that? The oil makes it come off a lot faster than the tattoo. So if you want to remove it with oil, I would suggest that over the alcohol and just rub it in like a circular motion. That's what seems to get it to come off. Ooh, I think I just flashed y'all my underwear. But yeah, so as you can see, it's faded the most. So oil is the best way to remove it. I would most definitely recommend this because it's just super cool if you want to just wear it for a night. Like, you don't have to like wear this for as long as I have, but I would say you would get a max 7 days out of this. I did get it wet. I washed it with soap and it stayed. I just didn't lotion up after I got out of the shower. My skin dry as a mug right now, but I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know my final thoughts. I hope this video was helpful to you. I will leave a link to where you can find this in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this, but I will definitely recommend this if you want to go on vacation, you want to be real cute. I really hope this video was helpful to you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Sorry if it seems like I'm talking really fast. I just don't want this to be a really long video. I just wanted it to be straight and to the point. So the oil I used was this overnight face oil because I really don't have any other oils. It's just the face oil by Shea Moisture that I use on my face. But yeah, y'all. All right.